When you first start out, no one's watching. You worry about that. But look at the positives. When no one's watching, you can make mistakes. You can practice. You can put those first videos up. You'll look back at them in the future and you'll laugh at them. You'll say, gosh, haven't I come a long way since I started that first nervous video? If I'd known that before I'd started, I would have pushed on a lot quicker. I remember sitting in the back garden filming my first one and I felt terrible. I tried a script, didn't work for me. Can't read half the script without my glasses on anyway. I work more from bullet points, more from ad-libbing. And I've got better at doing it that way. As long as I know the structure I'm working around, I find that's the best way. If I'd known that up front, I could have done the planning better, maybe made those first few videos a bit better. But no one was watching at that time. A lot have watched them since, and they've stayed, they've subscribed, they've come back for more. So perhaps they weren't as bad as I thought they were. And if someone had told me at the start, don't worry, your videos are not bad, they will just evolve, then I think it would have given me a real boost, real confidence boost. So I'm saying to you, don't worry. When people give you encouragement in the comments, that's a real nice feeling. But all comments are good. That means people have taken the time to make a comment. They have an opinion on what you said or how you said. And it's all good feedback, all good information. And you can take that forward. I hope this helps. Put out some more videos and I'll see you in the next one.